So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make your $10 mic audio quality like a pro studio mic. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser that you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, now here you need to go to this link, that is podcast.adobe.com/en/enhance. You can either search for Adobe Audio Enhancer as well. You'll be land on the same page as well. Now just simply sign in with your Google or anything. It's a free process. So just simply once you signed in, you'll see this interface. Here you need to upload your file. Here you can see the sample here as well. Like for example, if I show you the original audio.
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer on Adobe Podcast.
Now if I enhance the audio, you'll listen to it.
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer.
So you can upload multiple bulk files in order to enhance them right here only. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.